In this video, we'll be announcing the winner of our February Grow Light giveaway.
We'll also be asking each other some questions about what our favorite videos and what our favorite comments are.
And we'll be asking a couple other questions that were found in the comments.
And we'll be teasing some of our future videos, so stay tuned.
KK, what is your favorite video of the new year?
There's a couple of them, but I think I'm gonna go with My Way.
Why?
That was the first one where we had a bunch of separate tracks linked together through GarageBand. And what was fun with that is that all of it really pieced together that time. Because in some of our old videos, I can cringe watching because it did not come together.
And I can relate to that.
So I think My Way was the first complex track that we did that actually came together. We also got to learn some really cool GarageBand skills with that because we had a lot of tracks. Like I said earlier, we had the piano track, your drum track, a singing track, and then I think I had a trombone in there, if I remember right. And so that's 4 different tracks, and it lined up really well, and we had to adjust volume because the trombone was not very loud, yeah. But on some previous videos, I had to add a pad, which is basically a chord in the key of the song that plays throughout the whole thing. And if you listen to You Are the Reasons and the Guardian Dream,
A Million Names,
the parody we did, it's very evident that was there, and I did not like that. So
it's nice that we didn't have one in the My Way video.
Yeah, because it just sounded a lot fuller. Mm-hmm. And I got the keyboard to actually sound like a real piano.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bunkie, what was your favorite video of 2021?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's Shed Wars because Shed Wars, I love planting. It's like my thing. And Shed Wars includes planting very much. And I loved it. And as you can see, I have my shirt on right now.
It's the only thing she ever wears. She's been so excited about the Shed Wars season.
Trey, what is your favorite video of 2021?
Oof, we've had some really awesome videos. We've been getting way better at our editing skills. But I'm going to have to go with our chore video.
Yeah, that one was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Chore Like a Girl. I had so much fun putting that one together. It was just like showing people that even though we're girls and even though we're just kids, we can really homestead. And we got a lot of really nice comments in that video.
Yeah, you did a great job. There's some great effects in there.
It was very fun.
Okay. Trey, what was your favorite comment of 2021?
Well, there's a lot of comments out there.
Yes.
So I can't say exactly what my favorite comment was, but I can definitely say that one of my favorite comments is Pika for the win from Adventures in the Homestead.
That was not the complete comment.
Yes, but it's really great.
Yeah, we loved that one.
Yeah. I'm going to have to do something with that, like a t-shirt or something.
Yes.
Do that for me. How about you, Bunkie? What was your favorite comment?
Well, there are a lot of comments like you said, but my favorite comment is probably very nice video, great job from Little Frenchie in Big Texas.
And why?
Well, it's very nice from them.
She's very nice.
It was very nice, and
What video was that on?
and it's like
I don't know.
it's like telling people also that we can do great jobs in our videos.
Sure.
KK, what is your favorite?
My favorite comment is from Homestead Aquarius, who's a bit of a Shed Wars legend. He commented on our Shed Wars video, and he said that you ladies did a fantastic job with your Shed Wars 21 entry video. Star Wars, Marvel, chickens, grapes, garden, drone, snow. Wow. That is so awesome, and this is coming from the great Darth Tater impersonator. And now for one final update on our farm.
Does this count as a farm update? She's in our mudroom.
Good point. This is Mary the Cheshire Goat. So named because, not the diaper, but there is a cat-like mark on her chest, or on her side.
We didn't know what to name Mary. Our two top names, Mary and Cheshire, because of her cat-like markings. Anyway, we went into the comments, and most of them went with Mary. So she's still in our mudroom. She's still wearing diapers.
And her ear hasn't quite picked up yet. I don't know if it will, but
I like her like that. It's unique. Now, she loves KK. KK is her mama goat.
Yes,
She
but
feeds KK all the time. KK feeds her all the time. KK feeds her. KK feeds her.